How you feeling out there? It's good to see all of you. You guys having fun today? Yeah? All right, cool. Thank you.
Thank you, Jeremy. Say hi, Jeremy. How are you guys doing today? We wrote this love song this afternoon, and it's a little bit of the softer side of the band. Chester and I wrote it for Dave. And it goes, you guys ready?
It was inspired by James Taylor. Sweet baby James.
Yeah.
Thank you. That's our cheerleading squad back there.
I had a lot of them. Oh, okay. You got it.
One more.
Hey, Matt knows, can you give us a little bit of light up here, please? Thank you. Guys, we thought we'd do something different for the fans that we've never done before. Warner Brothers is here, and on behalf of New Zealand, they want to present a plaque. Should we bring up upstairs? Come on up.
Hi everyone. Hi Chester. This is congratulations from Warner Music New Zealand on gold sales on Living Things. Very proud of it. We've got plans for each of you, so thank you so much. We're looking forward to the show tonight. Thank you.
Hey, see what happens when we both get too close to the microphone? It's overpowering, Brad.
Can I also present him with the plaque? Okay, I have it back. In recognition of very, very, very good sales for the album Living Things, we would like to present this award to Chester Barrington. Would you like to say something?
I do. Actually, I want to say thank you to the Warner Brothers team here in New Zealand. You guys have done an exceptional job. Again, thank you very much. This is a great honor, especially in a time where people don't buy records anymore. This is really, really a great accomplishment. So thank you all very much for all your hard work in supporting this record. And most importantly, thank you guys. Thank you.
Okay, guys, let's do some Q&A from the stage with the fans for a little while, and then we'll move on.
So I hope you guys all prepared, because we know the questions. So
Hello?
as long as you know the answers, you can stay for the show.
File them away.
Yeah. Okay, the first question.
We got one.
What is the radius of the Earth?
942 million
No one?
miles.
All right, I guess none of you guys are coming to the show. Isn't that the rule?
We're all coming.
We got one down here. We got one.
If you didn't have music as a career, what other career would you choose?
Professional basketball. It's hard for you to tell, but I'm actually 6'6". These guys are really tall. But I am Korean.
We got another one here.
What kind of music do you listen to in your downtime?
Kesha.
Free jazz. No one knows.
Yeah.
My stuff is on Spotify. I have
A Spotify account, so you can actually go listen to whatever it is I'm listening to as I put it in there. And also, I like it when people send me cool stuff. So you can send people tracks and whatever, and I actually do listen to that stuff usually, unless there's a really obnoxious note with it, in which case I don't listen to it.
We got another question here.
Chester, first of all, like the tattoos, they're pretty cool. Thank you very much. And Mike, just a general question. Just a couple of years back, you broke up and made a band called Fort Minor. So, what was the reason that you came back to Linkin Park again? Like, I mean, I was pretty sad that Linkin Park broke up, but then, yeah.
They didn't break up.
Yeah, we
mended everything. I mean, it was rough. It was rough. You know, Mike and I don't get along very well. This is the first time we actually have sat this close since he left us for Fort Minor. But you know, as long as we have separate dressing rooms and he doesn't look too far in my direction, we can hang out. It's funny, we never broke up. Lincoln Park has never broken up. For the one person in the world that thinks we did, you can be assured that we did not break up. What we like to do in the band is we like to encourage each other to do creative things outside of the band. And you know, Joe does a lot of film. Mike and I have both done separate groups, made records, and done that. And so we like to push each other to stay creative, and one of the ways that we do that is by working with other people, and not only within Lincoln Park, by working with, you know, the dozens of artists that we've collaborated with. We also have, Mike and I have had the chance to work with, you know, in completely separate groups. And I think it only helps the band. You know, we all get along really well. We just keep getting closer as time goes by, and so we, as you can see, by the time I'm done with this answer, Mike will be inside of me, which is. Wait. I meant on top of me.
Yeah, that's good.
Time for another question.
Hi, this is a question for Joe. I know you're working on. I know you're working on a film at the moment called The Mall. What can you tell us about that?
Who are you and where are you? Oh, hey. What?
I know you're working on a film at the moment called The Mall. What can you tell us about that?
I actually worked on it a long time ago, but it takes forever to finish it. The movie's called Mall. It's about people that hang out in the mall. It actually takes place inside of a shopping center. And you know what's a really cool movie that has a mall is Back to the Future. You know, at the beginning they're in the parking lot, and then at the end they're at the same parking lot.
Remember what I was telling you about, John?
Okay, I was going to say Bill and Ted before I was so rudely interrupted. Yes, that's another one. And it's about, the movie's about the downfall of civilization and the paradigm between the socialist and conservative governments. I'm just kidding, no. It's just a movie about people in the mall.
It's getting way deep.
No?
Oh, hi, this is to all of you. Just a delight to be here, and thank you so much for coming to New Zealand. Back to New Zealand. Just want to ask you, you've been all around the world, but how do you find New Zealand as an experience to you?
I'm moving here.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll have a housewarming. You're all invited. I'm not on Facebook. Eventually.
All right, we got another one here.
Brad, from one guitarist to another, like, what's your favorite Linkin Park song to play on stage?
What did you just accuse me of?
Playing your guitar.
I don't appreciate the subtext of that question. I think we all know what you meant by that. And if this was some kind of setup to embarrass me, then you should be ashamed of yourself. Seriously. But we're still good though. Right? Oh, that's a great question. I like playing. There's a song I wrote. It's called "Stairway to Heaven." That's one of my favorites to play.
What's your favorite song or artist? Any song or artist? Your favorite?
I really enjoyed the work of Jackson Pollock. Just kidding. I don't.
best favorite song?
I think the question was, what is your favorite song ever? Any song by any artist.
Happy birthday.
All right, this guy was totally rocking out during your sound check, so he deserves a question.
As Phoenix has his own nickname, have you named the rest of the band their own nicknames?
And what are they?
Have I named the other rest of the... Have I named the other band members? Is that the question? We do have names for all of them, but they're X-rated. I'll tell you later. That sounds X-rated too. But I will. But it won't be X-rated, just the names. Okay. It's very clear. 2 microphones, clarify that.
We were really good at not answering questions.
They asked us if we wanted to put a song in the movie. And we said, yes.
Are you in the next one?
Actually, the first one was What I've Done. So, if you want to do it, you can be Michael Bay. Brad, you can be Chester.
I'll be Brad.
You can be Brad. Why don't you be Jordan?
All right, who's who?
You can be Megan Fox. Please.
Okay, never mind.
On to the next one.
I thought we were going to do it.
Wait, but who's who?
I'm the whole band.
Okay.
Ring. Ring. Hello?
Hey, I'm Michael Bay. You may have seen my films. Who's this?
Who? Who? Michael who?
Bay, not Bublé.
Oh. This is Linkin Park.
Wait, who is this? Is this Joe?
Sure, yes. This is Joe.
Okay, can I speak to Chester?
Sure, hold on. Let me go get him really quick. He's in the bathroom.
Hello.
Hey, is this Chester?
Yes, it's Chester.
Okay, well,
That's my natural speaking voice. This is not my natural speaking voice.
As a side note, if you get someone to answer a question the same, and then you finally get to the question, you're going to get that answer. Okay. So, okay, is this Chester?
Yes, this is Chester.
Are you in Linkin Park?
I am Linkin Park.
Do you like movies?
I am movies.
Do you like explosions?
I just had one in the bathroom.
Well, I'm good at making explosions.
Cool.
Do you want to do a song for Transformers and stuff?
If it doesn't suck.
Okay, talk to you later. Thanks, bye. That's how it happened.
Bingo! There it is.
It's called Dating to Yes.
Are you doing the other
Then you should, when you're out in the field dating, you should try that technique.
The next question is technical. So to take you on for Mike, just looking at your birthday present you just got and received from your wife, could you just explain exactly what that does in regards to printing 3D, or just something minor about it? Because I was looking at it and it's really trippy.
I don't know if you guys, so I got a 3D printer for my birthday, which is awesome. And it's like, it basically makes stuff in 3D. So you can make stuff in your computer and then print it out, and they've got these websites where you can download things like, iPhone covers or cups or statues or whatever. And you can, as long as you can only print up to like the size of a shoebox. So that's it. But if you guys want to, you can actually if you make something or you know see something on one of those like Thingiverse or whatever, you can actually send it out to like other websites will print stuff for you. So if you make something cool, you can send it out to other websites and they'll print it, and you don't even need to have a printer. We actually have been thinking, the reason I tell you that is we've been thinking about doing some things with 3D printing in the future for you guys. I don't know how that's going to work, but if anybody has any suggestions or anybody is good at, you know, modeling stuff or making stuff on a computer, then let me know.
Hi, I'm from Holland, and I was just wondering if you guys have any idea how different audiences are all over the world.
Did you say different audience?
Yeah, like how the feedback is of the audiences.
Yeah, it's really different from place to place. The first time, I think the story that people always talk about when you go to when you start touring outside the U.S. for the first time, American bands always get like a warning when you go to Japan that the crowd in between songs cheers really loud as soon as the song's over, and then they're just dead quiet. It's the quietest you've ever. I mean, you can hear your heartbeat. It's like they cheer and then they're just like staring at you, and it's so unnerving. And if we didn't get the little like heads up that was going to be happening, I think we would have been. Anybody would be freaked out because you're just like not prepared for it. It's like this. Like you're just kind of talking and super quiet. Yeah, and then you play a song and they jump. They don't move around. They jump straight up and down.
And they all go like this, Mike? Mike?
No, that's not.
Mike? 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 Mike?
That's yeah, they do that here.
Where is that?
They do that in Indonesia.
Indonesia.
They do it in Indonesia. There's the mics.
Mike?
But yeah, they're different. There's crowds are different.
Mike?
Okay, I hear there's time for one more.
This is a question for Mike. I was wondering how that recycling initiative of yours is doing.
The recycling project. It's called SRS, and it's in Haiti. And so far it's doing well, thanks. It's like basically they've got a lot of trash and they don't have a proper recycling program, so we started one. And yeah, it's those things take time, but it's so far it's doing well. It's basically they have like, just in case you guys didn't read the blog post I put up, those guys have in Haiti they've got like a 75% unemployment rate. And they have over a 50% illiteracy rate. So it's really hard for people to get, clearly they're not getting jobs, and then if they're untrained and they can't read, then those are things that get in their way too. So something like a recycling program is actually, really easy for them to make some money for the family. And so far it's really doing well. Thanks for asking.
Good job, Mike.
Hey, all right. What's the context of
That's a fraternity. If you just been good in the other fraternity brothers, they snap for you.
In the fraternities?
I was showing you love.
Oh, okay. It's not like
It's not like bring me the recycling.
No.
Thank you guys. I think we've just seen the making of a new reality show in the Chester and Joe skit, right? Yeah. And you got the serious answers you got to questions are the same ones we get. Make it happen every day, so it's fun. We're going to get set up for the photograph. We have everybody that's got a red dot find Adam over there against the wall. You see he's got his hands up. And everybody else that's on this side of the barricade, migrate over to this side of the barricade. Tim